Best Pickleball Paddles. Are you looking for the best pickleball paddles? In this video we will look at some of the best pickleball paddles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Head Radical Elite Pickleball Paddle. The Head Radical Elite Pickleball Paddle is a popular choice for intermediate and recreational players seeking control, comfort, and power at an affordable price. Designed by Head, a trusted brand in tennis and racket sports, the Radical Elite blends solid performance with durable construction. This paddle features a composite hitting surface made from fiberglass, which offers a good balance of touch and power. Its ergonomic foam handle ensures comfort during long matches, while the thicker polymer core helps absorb vibrations, reducing fatigue and increasing control. The paddle weight is around 8.1 ounces, giving it a mid-weight feel ideal for players who want both stability and maneuverability. With a standard paddle shape and a slightly extended handle, the Radical Elite supports both one-handed and two-handed backhands. Though it lacks some of the premium technologies seen in higher-end paddles, like carbon fiber or advanced spin textures, it delivers reliable performance for casual to serious players. The Head Radical Elite is praised for being durable, well-balanced, and offering a large sweet spot, making it forgiving for off-center hits. It is especially well-suited for players developing their skills or those who prioritize comfort and ease of play over spin or finesse. In summary, the Head Radical Elite is an excellent, original product for budget-conscious players who want a dependable paddle from a trusted brand. It delivers a mix of power and control that makes it one of the best value paddles in its class. Number 2. Onix Graphite Z5. The Onix Graphite Z5 pickleball paddle is one of the most popular and trusted paddles in the sport, known for its excellent balance of power, control, and responsiveness. It's designed for all skill levels, from beginners to advanced players, and is a favorite among competitive athletes. The Z5 features a graphite face paired with a Onix honeycomb core, a classic combination that delivers a crisp, responsive feel with excellent power and ball control. The carbon fiber surface adds durability and a lightweight touch, while the core enhances the paddle's ability to transfer energy efficiently, giving you strong shots with minimal effort. Weighing around 7.5 to 8.2 ounces, the Z5 has a medium weight design that offers both stability and maneuverability. One of its standout features is the wide body shape, which provides a large sweet spot ideal for consistent, accurate shots, even on off-center hits. The cushion comfort grip enhances handling by reducing vibration and improving comfort during extended play sessions. It also gives the player a secure hold, reducing slippage and hand fatigue. Overall, the Onix Graphite Z5 is highly regarded for its versatility, quick response, and light yet solid construction. Whether you're a newcomer looking for a high-performance paddle or a seasoned player seeking competitive edge, the Z5 delivers professional-level quality at a reasonable price. Its durable materials, large sweet spot, and comfortable grip make it one of the best all-around paddles on the market. Number 3. JOOLA Ben John's Perseus 3S. The JOOLA 3S pickleball paddles are a premium lineup designed with advanced materials and innovative shapes to suit different play styles. These paddles feature a raw carbon fiber surface, delivering exceptional touch, control, and durability while maintaining a lightweight profile. All models are UPAA certified, ensuring tournament-level quality and performance. Ben John's Perseus is an elongated paddle designed for precision and reach. It offers players excellent control with a slightly narrower profile, ideal for aggressive, tactical play. The Hyperion model features a wider body, providing a larger sweet spot and enhanced power for players seeking strong drives and smashes. Its shape supports balanced play between offense and defense. Scorpius introduces an arrow curve design that improves swing speed and maneuverability, ideal for quick reactions at the net. Its shape helps with quick wrist control and fast gameplay. The Magnus paddle is another wide body option with a 16 mm thickness, optimized for both power and comfort, offering a solid feel and reduced vibration on contact. All paddles come in two thicknesses, 14 mm and 16 mm, catering to different player preferences for control versus power. The carbon fiber face ensures consistent response and durability across all models. Overall, the JOOLA 3S series is a versatile set of paddles designed to meet the needs of intermediate to advanced players seeking a combination of power, control, and speed, backed by pro-level certification and quality craftsmanship. Number 4. Tangerine Santorini. The Tangerine Pickleball paddle combines vibrant aesthetics with high-performance design, making it an excellent choice for players at all skill levels, from beginners to seasoned professionals. This paddle stands out with its eye-catching, colorful design, adding style to your game on the court. Built for both power and precision, the paddle features a durable fiberglass surface that offers a smooth, responsive hitting experience. This material choice enhances ball control and spin, allowing players to execute accurate shots with confidence. The fiberglass face is also tough enough to withstand intense gameplay, making it a reliable companion for regular use. Inside, the paddle houses a lightweight honeycomb core, designed to deliver an ideal balance of power and maneuverability. The core's unique structure absorbs impact while maximizing energy transfer to the ball, resulting in powerful smashes and precise placement. Its lightweight nature also reduces arm fatigue, allowing players to maintain quick reflexes and extended playtime without discomfort. Additionally, the Tangerine Pickleball paddle is officially USAPA, USA Pickleball Association, approved, ensuring it meets professional standards for competitive play. This certification guarantees that the paddle complies with size, weight, and performance regulations required in official tournaments. Overall, the Tangerine Pickleball paddle offers a perfect blend of vibrant style, lightweight construction, durability, and power. It's ideal for novices who want to develop their skills as well as advanced players seeking a reliable, high-performance paddle to enhance their game. Number 5. 60 Quartz Pickleball Paddle. The Quartz Pickleball paddle is an excellent choice for players seeking a balance between affordability and high-quality craftsmanship. Designed to offer premium performance without the premium price tag, this paddle stands out with its robust construction and modern materials. One of the key features of the Quartz paddle is its raw carbon fiber face. Unlike paddles with painted or coated surfaces, the raw carbon finish enhances ball control and provides a slightly textured surface that improves spin potential. This material is known for being both lightweight and incredibly strong, offering players excellent maneuverability and durability on the court. The paddle's core is typically made from a high-quality polymer honeycomb, which ensures a consistent and forgiving feel. This combination of the raw carbon surface and polymer core delivers a great blend of power and control, making it suitable for a wide range of playing styles, from beginners to more advanced players. Additionally, the Quartz paddle's design focuses on comfort and playability. It often features an ergonomic handle wrapped in a cushion grip that reduces vibration and enhances handling during long matches. Overall, the Quartz Pickleball paddle provides a premium build quality at an accessible price point. Its raw carbon face offers superior performance characteristics often found only in more expensive paddles, making it a smart choice for players wanting durability, control, and spin without breaking the bank.